Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create simple basketball quiz videos using Canva and ChatGPT with a timer that you can then upload to YouTube for money or to gain followers. These videos are faceless and are super easy to make. You can make an unlimited amount of these for your channel because they're so simple, and just use this effective strategy that I teach you. You can use it in pretty much any niche that you want. So I'm going to teach you guys how to use AI technology using ChatGPT and the simplicity of Canva templates so that pretty much all the work is done for you. All right, first of all, if you don't have Canva, you need to download Canva. It's a simple and easy to use design tool, and there are some pre-formatted quiz templates in the Pro version that I recommend. There's also a free version as well. The Pro version does come with a 30-day free trial, so you can basically make all your quizzes and then cancel if you choose not to continue. Choice is completely up to yours. I do have a link below. So after you go to Canva, on the top right, hit on create a design and hit video. All right, the first thing you want to do is to use a pre-formatted template. You can select any pre-formatted template that you like. Because I am doing a basketball quiz, I'm gonna basically type in basketball template and hit search. All right, so select that template and then make some modifications to the text. The next thing you're gonna want to do after selecting the template is to just do some simple editing. Again, don't make it too complicated. We wanna make this process as simple as possible. I made something super easy like Ray's basketball quiz and just a bottom caption of how good is your 90s NBA basketball knowledge, and I'm basically gonna delete some of these signs in the template. The other thing that you can do is also to add the name of your channel and your channel's logo. So I do have a logo already pre-made, so I'm gonna add that into the template. It's super easy. This is what you are gonna do. Most of you probably have a GIF or JPEG of your logo. So using Canva, just go there and import your logo and put it in the first slide. Because these are formatted to be video-based, you will see the cool animation in your video with your logo at the start of your video that makes it look really cool. So here's just a sneak preview of me using this pre-formatted basketball template from Canva plus my VidInfinity logo, and this will be in the first 5 to 10 seconds of the video. Now, don't worry, we're gonna add some music in the video to spice things up. I personally use something called Epedemic sound to get royalty-free music for YouTube. So I'm gonna add some music later and I'll show you guys what to do. If you're interested in Epedemic sound, I do have a link to a free 30-day trial below. Otherwise, you can also use some sound that's already included with Canva. All right, the next thing we want to do is to create the actual quiz. But first note that this starting animation only runs for 5 seconds. Now you can change it to anything you want by playing with the timer, and the same for any subsequent slides. You can hit the play button to see what it looks like, but personally for me, I'm just gonna leave this at 5 seconds. But the next thing we want to do is to create the actual quiz. So first we want to hit the plus sign that you see. Over here. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna add the next 5 seconds of your video, which you can always adjust the time depending if you want the quiz question to be longer or shorter. On Canva, we are basically gonna search up the pre-populated quiz templates now. So you're just gonna go up here to the search box and search up quiz. So you're gonna find templates that have already pre-built in 4 responses, 4 answers, and 1 for the question. Now these templates are typically included in Canva Pro, but it's also really simple to make these templates using Canva Basic as well. I did make a video about this before, so if you want to refer to that video, if you're just using the free version of Canva, you can go ahead and check that video out that I made before in the link below. All right, under Canva Pro, I have a bunch of really cool templates. So I like the one here with the yellow background, and it includes a 10-second timer as well. And this one is called Yellow Bold Doodle Trivia Quiz. So I'm gonna click on this one. One thing you'll notice is that there is also an answer reveal page associated with this template. And what that does is that it gives you this exact same template, but in the answer box, there's a little grayed out box in box A so that you could basically use it to reveal the correct answer. So you can basically choose to use this style and have the questions with timer, followed with the next template, which is the answer reveal page with the answer in gray. And that's one way that you could basically do it. I'm gonna show you an even cooler method later on to make your video more popular and engaging by adding some actual YouTube footage, but we'll do that a little bit later on. But first, let's change this page to be a little bit more basketball themed. So I'm gonna change the background. You can look for something on Google Images or use something on Canva that you like, but this yellow background here isn't gonna cut it. I'm just going to use Canva to find something a little bit more basketball themed and change the background. Now next, I'm going to find some basketball quiz questions. And the easiest way to do this is to go to ChatGPT. So let's hit up ChatGPT. So I'm just going to share the prompt that I'm using in ChatGPT. All right, so these are the exact words that I'm typing into ChatGPT, and you can use the exact same prompt or change it up slightly in pretty much any niche that you want. So here it goes. I am trying to make a quiz video on 90s basketball trivia. Could you prepare me a popular basketball question based on popular basketball players from the 90s? Please give me the correct answer, but also give me 3 additional incorrect choices for me to use in my quiz. And take a look at what ChatGPT spits out. It gives you an awesome trivia question, the 4 possible responses so that you can fool the quiz taker, and the correct answer. And it's really that simple. So you basically go ahead and copy the question that ChatGPT gives you and put it into your basketball quiz template in Canva. Then you are going to copy the 4 answers that ChatGPT gives you and put it into your quiz as well. You probably figured it out by now that you can keep repeating this process over and over again until you're satisfied with your quiz. So how do you get ChatGPT to keep spitting you out questions and answers? So this is really simple. So after you're done with the first prompt and ChatGPT gives you the first response, just prompt ChatGPT with the following prompt. Can you please give me another question? Just type that into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will basically give you an unlimited supply of questions, one after one after one, so you can keep putting this into your Canva-based quiz. You could have 5 questions, 10 questions, 20 questions, whatever you like. Now, you are probably wondering about how to do the answer reveal page next. So if you choose to use an answer reveal page that looks like this with the correct answer being grayed out, this is one way. And note, you can always change the position of the correct answer by just changing the position of the boxes or hitting the duplicate button so you can get that grayed out effect. But I'm going to show you something even cooler to do after the answer reveal that will make your video more engaging. So for the answer reveal, I'm instead going to go to YouTube and I'm going to find some video clips of the actual NBA players so that this video in the end will look much more engaging. So try searching up some basketball highlights of the player that is the correct answer. And once you find a basketball highlight that you like on YouTube, you can basically just download it and insert it into your video. Now make sure you abide by the rules, but due to the fair use policy, if you keep switching basketball clips, like maybe every 3 to 5 seconds of different highlights, you're probably gonna be okay. I would also just probably caption the correct answer in your basketball highlight video just to show that you are trying to use these clips for a certain effect. All right, so let's stitch some basketball clips together with the correct response, and we will see how this looks like all in all. All right, the last thing we want to do is to add some catchy music to make this video more engaging. Canva has some included sounds that are pretty cool. If you want to go down that route, you can just search up some music under the music section in Canva and type in the sound that you're looking for. And basically that's one way. But personally, I use something called Epedemic sound, which has way more catchy beats, which can help improve audience retention. Remember, if the audience is having a good time in your quiz, listening to some awesome music, doing some awesome trivia, they're gonna stay on your video much, much longer. I do have a 30-day free trial to Epedemic sound if you like. It's got some really awesome catchy beats that basketball lovers absolutely love. All right, so after you captured the basketball highlight, I'm gonna show you guys how you insert it into Canva. And it's as simple as that. I added some music, I have my introduction, I have my first question, and I have my answer reveal. And you can basically just repeat this process for 5 questions, 10 questions, or 20 questions, whatever you like. You can do this in any niche. So hopefully you can see the power of ChatGPT in helping you to create some really easy quiz videos that you can upload quickly in YouTube. Now I'm just gonna add a few more questions personally using the same technique I showed you guys, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final product. All right, I'm done. So here's the final product. Check it out.
Hakeem gets a block. He gets a second block. Stiff going to try it again. Yeah, he gets a third block. When will they ever learn?
Never, apparently.
Olajuwon says, get that stuff out of here.
Michael get it pulled with a fresh shot clock. MJ. Oh, he did it! And Michael shakes the finger. Jordan. Oh, a spectacular move by Michael Jordan.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If you have any questions, please drop them in the video below. Please do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video so I can keep making awesome content for you guys. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.